What's up, you guys? Happy 4th of July. 250 years for this amazing country. What a number. So in this video, I'm gonna take you along. I'm here right at the beginning of the wharf. You can see right here, there's the wharf. And the sun is gonna set in about 20 minutes. And so here I am out. I'm gonna walk along West Cliff, walk along the boardwalk, and together we're gonna check out what Santa Cruz does for the 4th of July at sunset. So let's go. Thank you. All right, first up we've got Ideal Bar and Grill. Looks, yeah, they've got some customers. And here's the gorgeous wharf. Yeah, it's probably in the 60s, I'd imagine. So not a very warm July evening. But, you know, some people are brave enough to be wearing some shorter garments. People parked up with some chairs, beach chairs. Oh, missed some live music here. I wonder what that was like. Okay, sorry about that, guys. A little jerky. Yeah, so more expensive vacation rentals with, of course, this great view. And my understanding is they're actually pretty pricey. But hop, skip, and a jump. Yep.
Well, I don't get the
Still light enough to play volleyball. You know, it gets darker, and that's definitely a cue for a lot of families to start heading out. They've got to drive over Highway 17 or elsewhere in the dark and with kids and whatnot. That can take a while. La Bahia, wow, they really turned this place around, guys. This used to be for many years a very destitute and abandoned building, and it had a lot of back and forth with the community about what to do with this, and I think they did the right thing. My gosh, it looks beautiful and inviting. All right, let's keep going. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Sure. Lots of people still out. Some bigger boats are out there. Huh. It's the day to take them out. Okay, the Aloha Terrace, where you can hang out with some food outside of the boardwalk. And right there is one of Veronica's and my favorite places in the world. That is one of the entrances to the bowling alley. Oh yeah. Well, we're about to start entering the boardwalk proper. Coming up on Cliff Drive. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous sky. Casino Arcade. Let's dip in here. Very busy. We're gonna head the other side to within the boardwalk. Oh yeah, it's really going off here. There's going to be a DJ out here in maybe an hour. Free DJ. Neil's Surf Shop. Okay, we got Cannonball and video game entrance again. See how far we've come. Alright, so there is the wharf. There's the DJ already. I wonder when people get up and dance. Busier than I would have thought. I guess I should have expected it, but it's busy. Let's take a look back out on the beach. Yeah, not as warm as you guys would expect for a summer day. Here's the kids' land. I guess the sign says it all. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Happy 4th of July.